So I have a new camera and I don't know if this is even recording right now. That's right guys, the hat is back. Winter is officially coming. I did get my hair cut the other day and all the blonde has officially gone. But my hair is quite short and I'm struggling to style it, so that's why I've thrown my beanie back on. Plus, it's getting pretty nippy here in London, so I was like, I'm just gonna keep a hat on. I know it triggers a lot of people, but you're just gonna have to get over it. It is Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a new video featuring two pairs of sneakers. I figured because Prada is super popular, even more so than Eytys, because Eytys is still a relatively new brand, I thought I would put them hand in hand together and let you guys decide in the comments which is your favorite out of the two. I've actually been thinking of doing a video like this for a while, so I'm pretty happy to sit down and finally do a video like this for you guys. First of all, before I get into the unboxing, I just want to say a huge thank you to all the support you've given me on my collaboration with Jaded London. The capsule collection goes live this Sunday the 29th of September at 8 PM, or you can sign up for early access and shop from 6 PM. The response from you guys has been amazing and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your love and support. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go and check out my last video, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You can also try that thing where if you're already subscribed but you're not getting notifications, you can unsubscribe and resubscribe and then click the bell, because that might rejig YouTube and give it a kick up the bum and let you know when I bring out a new video. I'm currently wearing some new bits that I got sent from Weekday. This is like a sound sweater. I can't remember the official name of it, but it's got like the knit, it's kind of like noise waves. But I really like it and it's super cozy as well. I'm also wearing the Weekday Lee jeans collab that you can't really see, but they're like wide fit denim. Maybe if I stand up and show you. I'm sat on the floor because I still haven't finished my office. I'm getting the floor redone in a couple of weeks' time, and then once the floor is done, I can finally start carving out the space into what I kind of want from this room, and I can get ordering like wardrobes and desks and stuff like that. I'm gonna unbox the Eytys sneakers first. So the story of these, so I saw them advertised over on Instagram, and I wasn't aware how big they actually were, and a couple of people that I follow have been purchasing them and styling them in outfit shots, and I was like, do you know what, they actually look really sick. I want to go and try them on in person, because we have an Eytys store here in London. So I went in store, me and Scott went into Central last weekend to play Pokemon Go. It was a very hot day, and we were walking past the Eytys store, and I was like, I just want to go in and try them on. Didn't think I was going to get them, and then so yeah, purchased them in store, which I always really like doing because I spend so much time on the internet. I always shop online. I hardly ever go in store. Sometimes I'll go in store, try it on, and then go back home and buy it online. But to actually purchase something from the store was a really nice experience, and the staff was super friendly as well. None of this is sponsored, believe me. I wish it was. I wish Prada or Eytys was sponsoring me. So we have Eytys. I've had one pair of Eytys before. It was the Phoenix leather Derby. They were incredibly heavy. I still wear them and I still have them. I think that they look good for certain outfits or places where I'm going to get an Uber to. But apart from that, they are not your everyday shoe. I don't know if these are your everyday shoe as well, you'll see. So these are the Halo sneakers by Eytys, and I got them in the grey suede colourway. To me, Eytys are famous or popular for their Angel sneakers that they brought out a couple of years ago. They're just kind of your like chunky everyday sneakers, kind of a bit hiking inspired, as are these as well, but these are a monster sneaker. These are super chunky. They're not that heavy. They look heavy, but they're actually not, especially compared to the Phoenix. Eytys aesthetic is super 90s anyway, and they do a lot of wide fit denim and quite a few ready to wear pieces now, which are all awesome. And the sneakers and boots just keep getting better and better as well. They do them in a cream, kind of off-white, the grey, and an all-black pair as well. When I first tried them on, they were super tight, mainly because the lacing system is not like your regular traditional lacing system. It's kind of like fixed and you just tighten it with this tab here. And I was like, I think I'm gonna need to try a size up. So I tried to size up, but then my foot was, what's the word? My heel kept like flopping in and out of the shoe. And I was like, oh, that's not really, I prefer it to be like tighter rather than too loose. So I tried on the 9s again, and they actually felt a bit more roomy once I'd worn them for a little bit. I am a UK 9 usually as well, so I went true to size. I was originally going to get the cream colourway as well. After trying them on and thinking about winter and what's coming up and stuff, I've already got quite a lot of white sneakers as well, like the Balenciaga Track. I'll read you what they have on their website. So it says, Halo is a bold, lightweight sneaker on a characteristic Phylon midsole. I think that's Phylon, P-H-Y-L-O-N. Midsole with a jagged outsole, accentuating its otherworldly silhouette, features a distinct square toe speed lace system, nylon hooks, and a chrome logo at the tongue. Will set you back £350, which is quite expensive. That's kind of Eytys price point anyway. The Angel sneakers were around £280, so it's not a crazy price for the brand. It is on that kind of premium contemporary wavelength. But all in all, very, very happy with this purchase. Now next up we have the Mac Daddies. It is the Prada Cloudbust Thunderknit sneakers. I don't actually remember seeing these in their fashion show, in the catwalk. I remember seeing them on J'aime tout chez toi, which is this amazing French couple on Instagram that always post the best fit pic from Fashion Week. They always coordinate kind of couple goals. They are amazing. And that is where I first saw the all black pair. And since then I've seen them come out in a load of different colorways as well, but still the all black pair just seemed like the best. Tried on the white pair in Selfridges a few weeks ago and they just felt a bit too plasticky and they looked a bit like toys, but not in a great way. And I think, again, like I have too many all white sneakers already. Oh wait, let me show you the box properly first. The box has this really cool design which kind of looks like the shoe, but also reminds me of like Transformers. All of these sneakers remind me of Transformers because all the different colorways, it's like primary red, primary yellow, primary blue. I did in fact go for the all black pair. Now these are a behemoth of a sneaker, is that the word you would use? Quite a few of my mates have got these already. They're a really versatile sneaker as well because there are so many different ways of styling them that I've seen already. They're kind of hyped, but also not that hyped. Like, they're definitely not as hyped as the Balenciaga Triple S. Like, these are still in stock. You can get these in a lot of places. I think the price point also, I think they're around like £660. So they are quite expensive. I picked mine up from Matches Fashion and it says, Prada reinterprets its signature Cloudbust trainers. I don't know if you remember the original Cloudbust trainers, which I was never really into. They're too kind of like soft looking, but I really like the shape of these. Prada reinterprets its signature Cloudbust trainers with this Cloudbust Thunder pair, which reflects the darkly romantic Autumn/Winter 19 collection's preoccupation with Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Crafted in Italy from knit and rubber panels with a red embossed logo at the heel around a set of chunky tread sole which characterise countless shoes on the runway. Now, they say runs true to size, but I tried on the white pair and they didn't have a UK 9, so they brought a UK 8 for me and were like, they do fit really big. So I ended up ordering, to be safe, from Matches a 8.5 in the UK, and they fit me perfectly, so I would say go half a size down. But yeah, so as I was saying, it is a makeup of like rubber panels with a knit kind of shell on the inside, and then you've got the black rubber branding on the back that says Cloudbust, Thunder and Prada. Again, these are like double the price of those. They are both new season chunky sneakers and I like both of them, so I don't know which you guys are going to prefer the most. If you've been umming and ahhing or thinking between both of these, I hope this video has helped give some insight as to what kind of size you would want or colorways. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like this kind of video. If you want to see me put more sneakers against each other in the future, then that's something I can definitely do. And don't forget to leave a comment as to which sneaker is your favorite out of the two. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.